Miss Pam here with some more practical life work for you. And today's lesson is about pouring water. Now, when we were together in my class, we had a lot of fun with this exercise, and a lot of you would choose it every day. So make sure you have some child-sized materials and always a cloth to help clean up after yourself. So take your pitcher with two strong hands. You don't need to fill it all the way up, just enough that they can get the feeling of pouring into that. And catch your drips into that bin. And the pitcher would be in your child's dominant hand. And then you can go ahead and pour it back like so. And the child can practice with repetition. They can practice patience and coordination. And it's actually quite calming to do these kind of exercises. Always encourage, a little bit of cleanup. And of course, putting your work away when you're finished. Enjoy!